Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Godox AD200. This is the fourth video in a series of videos I've created regarding my new Godox photo kit. This flash unit is well built, it's solid to the touch, and it's actually very heavy. It's actually heavier than it looks. This unit is designed to be an off-camera flash. So in comparison to the V860 and the X Pro radio controller, the controls on the AD200 are a bit simplified because you're meant to control this unit wirelessly with an X Pro controller. Although you can't do everything directly in the back of the unit, the better way to do it would be do it wirelessly, because this unit will probably be mounted somewhere in a stand in the woods or whatever in a studio. So you don't want to be climbing up a ladder to try to change the commands and the settings in the back of the unit. You can do it all remotely from the back of your camera with the X Pro wireless controller. The back of the unit has all the controls you need to change the settings on the flash. And it has a backlit LCD screen that shows you the current settings. The first button on the top, GRCH, allows you to change the group and the channel the flash is working on. With one click you change the group A, B, C, etc. If you long press the button for 2 seconds, the number next to the CH on the screen will flash. Then you can change the radio channel with the use of the scroll. Then press the set button on the center of the scroll to set that new radio channel. The button to the right is the flash test button. Also, this button with a long press will bring you into the functions menu. There you'll be able to change settings like beep sound, standby time for the unit, etc. Most people will probably never have to change this, but if you need to, you know where it is. To the bottom left is the mode button. With it, you're able to scroll between manual mode, TTL mode and multi-mode. If you long press this button, you can turn off the radio communication for the flash unit. The last button will allow you to turn the modeling lamp on or off. And with a long press, you can turn high speed sync on. By pressing the mode button and the modeling light button simultaneously, you can reset all the settings in the flash unit just like in the V860 Mark II. This might come in handy whenever you've made loads of changes and you need a quick start to configure your flash power ratios and modes for a shoot. As you can see, the menu in the back of this unit is very simple. And as I said, this unit paired with the X Pro wireless controller will allow you to have great control over the flash remotely. So once you understand the menus in the X Pro and the V860 Mark II, you'll be able to make changes to the AD200 remotely. This makes the controllers in the back of the unit redundant. This is actually very handy if the unit is mounted to a stand or a difficult to reach place on your studio, because you can make any changes you want to the flash unit from the top of your camera and you can continue to create great images very efficiently. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was of help to some of you, and if there's something you would like me to explain in more detail, please leave a comment below and I'll see you next time.